So I'm going to pick this one in hand, hopefully. Bottom of the keyboard, which is a new method for me. Check out if it's still on camera. I find it so awkward picking on camera. Trying to concentrate on too many things. I already have ADHD. Concentrating is not my strong point. Focusing on two different things at once. Alright, there's that full set. Damn it. God, man, the tolerances on these higher level locks are really something. Come on. Also with the dead core, needs a bit of manual counter rotation. Hopefully I can get around that just bouncing the pins around a bit. You often can with a dead core. Just bounce on the pin that's giving you counter rotation. It'll often offer you enough counter rotation to set it. There we go, like that. There we go. Bosh. Done.